So before I show you how to do custom autograders, let me show you how to do just basic autograders. This is what you're probably going to want to stick to. First of all, anytime that you can use one of these basic autograders, this is what you want to use. And it's also going to be a lot easier for those of you who are just starting out. So we're going to go to Create, we're going to create a new assignment, and we're going to do the one that says Autograder. In a minute, we're going to do a custom autograder, which we're actually going to use this instead. So we'll do that. We'll do Java. And we'll just do basics. And we'll explain what the student's doing. This is important because this is what you need to, this is what it's going to try to match to. So I don't know, public static int add. Let's do int x, int y, and let's return x plus y. So this is what their code should do. Even if it doesn't look exactly like this, like it should return the same value as this function. Okay, and then we can add some test cases here. And we can hide certain cases so they don't just try to if their way into the solutions. They could try to hack their way into the solution instead of actually coming up with something that meets all of the cases. So let's try this, preview it. My great instructions right there. If they do this, then they only write the method. They can test it over here. So they've written their method, and they can test it out here. Oops. X plus y, and then they can call it over here. System.out.println add 4, 5. The sandbox thing is really confusing to the students at first, or the Scratchpad. They really want to do everything over here. So have them start over here, and then when they've done it right, they can slop that in there, and their check code should work. And you see our hidden test right there. Okay. And that's how you do a basic autograder.